Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 4.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 5.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.7% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Google has had another major legal headache. The US Justice Department and 8 states sued the search giant, arguing it abused its position at the center of the online advertising industry to lock out competitors and claim profits for itself that should have gone to advertisers and publishers. The situation in Europe's biggest economy is expected to improve in the course of the year from spring onwards, the Economy Ministry said. Earlier, the government revised its forecast for economic output and now expects the economy to grow by 0.2% this year, up from its autumn forecast of a 0.4% decline. Inflation is now seen at 6% in 2023, down from the previous 7% forecast. Cardano-based decentralized stablecoin JED is on track for a launch next week, one of the developers behind the token said. The highly anticipated JED stablecoin has been jointly developed by Cardano code maintainer IOG and Coty, a Layer 1 blockchain.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 13:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Spain's unemployment survey will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.